Next, we move on to time-based features. So df year month is equal to df.invoice data.dt.2.m. Basically, this converts like the invoice data into like a year month format. Then we move on to monthly aggregation, where customer monthly ag is equal to df.group by brackets customer ID year of month .ag all the way down to reset index. Basically, this block of code groups the data by customer ID and the year of month to basically calculate the total spend, invoice numbers, and like the quantity. Then we move on to monthly spend is equal to monthly.ag pivot, index is equal to customer ID, columns is equal to year month, values is equal to total spend, and fill is equal to fill NA is equal to 0. Basically what this line of code does, it basically converts the aggregated data into like a pivot table where rows are customer IDs and columns are like year month. Then we move on to monthly spend.columns is equal to spend, brackets string call for call in monthly spend.columns. This line of code basically like renames the columns to include like a prefix of like spend dash for clarity, so like spend dash 2021 01 and like 2021 02 and so on. Next we move on to customer features equal to customer ag.merge monthly spend left on customer ID, right index is equal to true, and how is left. Basically what this block of code does, it basically merges like the monthly spend with the customer level aggregation data over here. Next we move on to numerical columns is equal to customer features select d types include np.num columns all the way down to features. Customer features brackets numerical columns equal to customer features numerical columns on fill NA. Basically this block of code fills in like any missing values in like the numerical columns with like with a 0, and this basically ensures that the data set is clean and ready for like modeling and avoiding issues caused by like missing values. Next we move on to basically creating like additional time-based features by using spend columns equal call for call in customer features on columns if call starts with spend all the way down to customer features brackets spend standard std equals to customer features spend columns std access equal to 1. Basically what this block of code does, it basically loops through the customer features columns and basically creates like time-based features such as like max monthly spend, average monthly spend, and spend std. Then we move on to printing basically the customer feature shapes and like the first 5 rows of this data set. So here we have like time-based features added. So final feature set is equal to 14,399 rows with 29 columns, and here like the first 5 rows of this data set. So we have customer ID all the way till spend std,